Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add text around oval shape in Adobe InDesign. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Adobe InDesign software. Then open your document or create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I add text around oval shape in this document. At first I have to draw a oval shape. Select this ellipse tool, then draw a oval, then select this text tool and right click on this text tool and select this type on a path tool. Now you can see here are plus option. Now click on this plus option and write your text. Now you can see I add text around oval shape in Adobe InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.